Africa Content TV.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Another one is this. If you are here and you are happy and wish K1 the ultimate and my very dear sister a sunny lifetime journey that will last for another 50 years plus, please rise and give me another round standing ovation. Thank you very much. Well, we have a few performances here. We're going to have next. I know we have on the lineup a stage performance by members of the town band. I'm told to tell the story of K1 the Ultimate, and also that on 30th of November 2021, K1 the Ultimate made some promises to Viva. I know him to be a man of his words. His words are his mouth. And so, if November 30th was the day for the promise, I want to believe that July the 3rd of 2022 will be the day for the fulfillment of that promise. Before I drop this microphone, I want to thank very sincerely his bosom friends, those who speak with him over the years. Some of them are seated with him right there. Those who believe in him and have provided support for him over the years. You are true definitions of friendship, and I know very strongly that as K1 continues to wax stronger in health, in resources, in all ramifications, you all too will continue to progress. We urge you to please provide more support for him because he still has a whole lot to do for humanity. I want to thank God for the life one more time of King Wasiu Ayinde. On last topic, Masha, Adiboshe Masha, K1 the ultimate, the Doyen of Fuji music. I'd like to very quickly appreciate an in-law of K1. K1 the ultimate, who believes so much in K1. Just a telephone call, he agreed to come and identify us as K1 today. Alhaji Shefiu Alao, I want to thank you so much. And Alhaji Shefiu Alao is identified with another friend of K1, Prince Olufuyiwa Adejobi, the first public relations officer who just joined us. Ladies and gentlemen, let me also appreciate another woman who believes so much in K1. She is a patroness of the Oyo chapter of our association. She sent a caterer to provide meals here and also did a whole lot of other gift items. She's Ambassador Romoke Ayinde Kiron Lee. K1, she also did this cake. actually provided us support for this event. We appreciate it. And as we continue to progress in this event, let me assure you that we have a lot to drink, we have a lot to eat, we have opportunities to marry together. What I don't know is whether and that I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
A round of applause for the National President of FIBAN, Comrade Desmond Nwachukwu. Mr. President, sir, you said you are not sure whether you are going Edo, Eitebawa, Biteba, New Wolo, Teba, Biomowa, if you went to the adopt Biomo, Edo, and the man gave, you know, to your long. Ladies and gentlemen, while the national president was delivering his speech, a wonderful Nigerian stepped into our midst. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this young man is a very active policeman. He has once served as the public relations officer of the Nigerian Police Force Ogun State Command. At one time, public relations officer of the Nigerian Police Force, Lagos State Command. At one time, public relations officer of the Nigerian Police Force, Zone 2 Command, Doyen, Lagos, controlling Lagos and Ogun State respectively. The former personal assistant to the former Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of operations, DIG Abdul Majid Ali, retired. The former Deputy Force PRO, now the present spokesman of the Nigerian Police Force in Nigeria. Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not too busy, if you have a father and you love your father so much, please put your hands together as I welcome Prince Olumuyiwa Oladumoye Adejobi. Please put your hands together for him. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome and recognize Matron Ambassador Ayinde Ebamipa. She is the matron FIBAN Oyo. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am. And of course, Ambassador Alhaji Oluwarotimi Saliu Ajishafe. Thank you so much for joining us. And like Malari Ajiri, thank you so much for joining us. For this beautiful Sunday afternoon, as at Ida Ilano Olaya Korani, only 15 minutes video, continue Baba post this on Instagram, see Baba Mpara. But we thank God, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and celebrate him one more time. Thank you so much for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, for the next 5 minutes, I'll leave you to a wonderful presentation from Tampa. Tampa!